Morning guys, so happy Thursday to you all. Just wanted to drop on, just give you guys a bit of an update as to what's been going on. Day 4 of the Van Build Challenge is today. We've got Storm Goretti en route to us here in the UK, promising blizzard, snow, perfect weather for building a van, guys, if you ask me. So anyway, I had a bit of a drama with my linear actuators. They arrived on Tuesday from Amazon, however they are not suitable for what I need to do. The load rating on them was not correct. It was different to what was advertised online, so I'm glad I checked the little labels on them, and to be honest, they didn't look the best quality, so I've sent those back to Amazon. So I've had to reorder from an American company called Fageli Automations. They've got a sister company or a distributor in the UK, but they're a bit more expensive, but I've changed the product I'm ordering as well because I saw something even better, and I can't wait to show you guys what that is. And I'm really shocked that more people don't use this in their vans, but maybe I'll start a trend, who knows. But anyway, so yeah, delay on the lift up bed, unfortunately. Off to take some rubbish to the dump today, go and get some supplies with the incoming storm, and I'm planning on not going anywhere for the next 4 days. Just going to be focused on getting the van done, all the interiors as much as I can in a blizzard. Mwah. Much love.